Well, hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a wonderful solar-powered, solar rechargeable remote camera, solar wireless security camera. And I have actually had this out of the box and charged it and set it through its paces. But let's go ahead and do an unboxing, shall we? This is, again, a product was sent to me for free, and I'm doing a paid review. Let's open it up and see what we're doing. All right, so that's the unboxing. I can tell you right now that I do have this already turned on to my router, and it is on currently and taking pictures. This is really phenomenal. You can charge it through a cord if you need to, but it also has this solar panel that sits above it outside and can charge it every day. And you don't have to have any wires to this whatsoever. It hooks up to your wireless router in your house, your Wi-Fi router. You can be anywhere in the world and just open up your app and see it, because it's motion sensitive. If you want to watch your dogs or your cat, or just see who's in the house, or I mean, if you can have this mounted in your house and have it plugged in, or have it outside your house and use the solar panel, and it alerts you if there's any motion next to it. It automatically turns on, and you can put an SD card in the bottom here to record. It will actually record sessions for you, or it can just be an event thing where you. But the coolest thing about it too is it records sounds that are happening, and you can actually speak through it also. So if you had a pet at home and you wanted to just have it plugged in with the cord, you could have this setting on a shelf, and you could watch your pets. It could be a pet cam. And if you wanted to say hi to him, you could say hi to him in your own voice. I mean, it's got a little speaker right on the back side here, and they could hear you. So that's kind of cool too. So, the other nice thing it has is it has mounting hardware for whatever application you might want to use. It has mounting hardware for all of the applications. So this would be like an outdoor mounting, and you can just mount it on there, and it swivels. Awesome. And it has a different type of mounting device here. It comes totally complete. I'm telling you, an Anran home security camera. Get one today. These things are awesome with the functions they have.